Hello guys, good evening. Yan, sisilipin natin guys kung may violation tayo ha. Kaya yun, click natin yung 3 dots sa ilalim guys. Yan, na-click na natin guys. Click natin yung creator support guys. Yan, creator support. Tapos click natin yan guys, release. Tapos yung 3 lines yan guys, click natin yung 3 lines guys. Tapos support inbox. Yun, may 3 new updates ako guys na your alerts. Ano yan guys, need natin yung burahin guys, kaya yun, buburahin natin yan guys. Huwag tayo manghihinayang sa views. Yan, buburahin ko yan guys. Na-upload ko yan guys, na copyright siya. Madami ng views yan, pero okay na. Ayan, continue. Click continue guys. Tapos remove video guys. Remove video. Delete video guys. Click na rin delete video. Ayan, tapos close. Ayan, okay na yan guys. Malinis na yan. Natanggalan natin yan guys. Kaya thank you for watching guys. Much love.